Hi, welcome to ASA Technical. Today I am going to show you the first 10 things I disable on every Windows 11 installation. Windows 11 comes packed with a lot of features, but also ads, tracking, background apps and helpful suggestions nobody asked for. In this video, I show you 10 things you should turn off after installing Windows 11 to improve performance, privacy, boot time and overall sanity. So let's get started. First thing first, open the Microsoft Store and search for WinToys, then install it. It's free, legit and honestly something Microsoft should have built themselves but didn't. Once it's installed, just open it up. Number 1. Disable Startup Apps. Inside WinToys, click Startup. You will immediately see the usual suspects: Teams, OneDrive, Xbox junks. If you don't need it starting with Windows, just turn it off. This alone speeds up boot time, frees RAM and prevents Xbox service from running on a work laptop. Number 2. Kill notifications and helpful tips. Inside WinToys, turn off app spam and suggestions. Did you know Windows can no stop? Because I don't need pop-ups explaining an OS I have used longer than some Microsoft devs have been alive. Number 3. Shut down background apps. Why does Solitaire need background access? Why does Candy Crush think it deserves CPU time? In WinToys, disable background activity for anything you don't actively use. This saves CPU, saves RAM. Stops apps from quietly doing who knows what while you sleep, and yes, browsers too. Because modern browsers are basically RAM vacuums with a logo. Number 4. Stop online search in the Start menu. Every time you search locally, Windows sends it to Bing. Because apparently looking for a file is an ad opportunity. In WinToys, go to Search and disable online search integration. Now your searches stay local first and not shifted off to Microsoft server. Local searches should stay local. Number 5. Kill widgets, news and interests. In WinToys, disable widgets, news feeds and interests. If I want news, I will open a browser, so I don't need these options enabled. Number 6. Reduce telemetry and diagnostics. In WinToys, go to Privacy, then go to Telemetry. Set diagnostics to required only, disable optional data and turn off feedback prompts. It still sends some data because of course it does. But now Microsoft doesn't get a detailed diary of how often you play Minesweeper. Number 7. Disable ads in Explorer and the lock screen. Inside WinToys, disable sync provider notifications, OneDrive promos, Spotlight ads, fun facts and tips. My lock screen is not an advertising platform, and I don't need an ad when I am just checking the clock. Number 8. Remove Cortana and Copilot. In WinToys, open Install tabs. Remove Cortana and Copilot if you don't want it. They are basically behave like a spy. Number 9. Kill activity history and tracking. Windows tracks apps you open, file you touch and syncs it across devices. Because nothing says privacy like your OS keeping receipts. In WinToys, go to Privacy, then Activity History. Disable activity tracking, cloud sync, typing and speech personalization. I don't need Windows keeping a diary of my decisions. Number 10. Stop auto reboots after updates. The update reboot, the silent killer of productivity. In WinToys, open Windows Update Settings. Enable Restart Notifications, Active Hours Protection. Because nothing says productive day like Windows reboot overnight and nuking your open documents. And that's the first 10 things I disable on every Windows 11 install. Less spyware, fewer ads, faster boots and way fewer headaches. Did I miss one of your favorites? Then drop it in the comments. I might show it for a part 2. So I hope this quick guide was helpful for you. If you have any questions or any advanced guide, then please let us know. Please like, comment, share. We need your support. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.